Hi everybody, it's Mr. A with AlisalCAN Community Arts Network and Alisal Union School District. In this video, we're going to go through the piano roll exercise, but down here, you are probably seeing something you might have seen somewhere before. We're not going to listen to all of these, but let's look at what piano rolls look like. You can see the hands playing and the notes scrolling down the screen as they get played. We're going to see this later on in the exercise, which is why we're looking at these now. This is Prelude in C major by Johann Sebastian Bach. Moving on, the next one, famous melody, Rondo alla Turca, a Turkish march by Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart, very famous composer. The Fifth Symphony, the beginning of the Fifth Symphony, by Ludwig van Beethoven. I think red's very appropriate. This is a dark, menacing piece at the beginning. The Fifth Symphony is quite long. Symphonies are multiple songs put together for one common theme. This is the Minuet in G, also by Johann Sebastian Bach. And here at the end we have Gymnopédie number 1 by Erik Satie, a French composer. Very calm, very relaxing. Purple, calm, relaxing, very nice. Gymnopédie. In part 2, we'll click into the actual piano roll exercise where each of these pieces that we saw will be featured. See everybody in part 2.